Before modern sneakers, before performance footwear, before international martial arts tournaments, there were kung fu shoes. Light, flexible, purposeful, they were never created for fashion. They were designed to move as naturally as the human foot. Their story begins centuries ago. Across ancient China, long before modern athletic shoes existed, simple cloth footwear was worn by farmers, scholars, craftsmen, and martial artists alike. Lightweight construction allowed long hours of walking, working, and disciplined training. As Chinese martial arts evolved, practitioners required footwear that would never interfere with movement. Every stance demanded stability, every pivot required precision, every kick depended on balance. Heavy footwear became a disadvantage. Minimalist shoes became the preferred choice. The science behind kung fu shoes begins with simplicity. Traditional uppers were crafted from tightly woven cotton, providing breathability while remaining lightweight. Early cloth soles allowed remarkable flexibility, helping practitioners sense the ground beneath every step. Modern versions often replace cloth soles with thin rubber, improving grip, durability, and resistance to wear. Yet the minimalist philosophy remains unchanged. Construction reflects centuries of practical craftsmanship. Wide toe boxes encourage natural foot positioning. Low-profile soles improve balance. Soft interiors reduce friction. Reinforced stitching increases longevity. Slip-on construction eliminates unnecessary weight. Every feature exists to support movement, not distract from it. Throughout the 20th century, kung fu shoes gained international recognition. Traditional schools preserved handcrafted designs. Competitive wushu introduced performance-focused variations. Tai Chi practitioners embraced lightweight footwear for slow, controlled movements. Cultural performances carried the design onto stages around the world. Psychologically, kung fu shoes represent discipline. Their simplicity reminds practitioners that skill comes from practice, not equipment. They encourage humility, precision, and complete awareness of movement. Modern manufacturing continues refining traditional footwear. Organic cotton reduces environmental impact. Recycled rubber conserves resources. Computer-controlled cutting improves precision. Digital quality inspection enhances consistency. Sustainable materials ensure that ancient traditions continue responsibly. The future respects heritage while embracing thoughtful innovation. Today, kung fu shoes remain essential in martial arts schools around the world. Their appearance has changed very little. Their materials continue improving, but their purpose remains exactly the same. Every flexible sole reflects centuries of martial wisdom. Every carefully stitched seam honors generations of skilled artisans. Every lightweight step reminds us that true mastery begins not with force, but with balance.